What's up, guys? Welcome back. We're going to be working on a 2013 Ford Explorer today. We're going to be doing the rear wheel bearings. It's making some growling noise after we put new tires on it, so pretty sure it's wheel bearings. Stay tuned. Okay, so we got the wheel off. Turns out it's the right front wheel bearing that's bad. Nice thing about these is all the wheel bearings are same front to back, so they're good for all of them. And this is a 2013 Ford Explorer Sport 3.5 EcoBoost. So we're going to take the caliper off over here, get the pads, rotor, all that stuff off, and then we'll pull off that wheel bearing. And I'll kind of show you how to get to that point. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and get these. There's two bolts that hold the caliper on, and there's two bolts that hold the bracket on, so we'll pull both those, all four of those off. And then there's looks like a 230 Torx bit that holds the bolt that holds the rotor on, so we'll pull that and then get the axle nut off too, and we can unseat that axle out of there. And there are, looks like 3 bolts on the back of the wheel bearing also that hold it in. Alright, so there's actually 4 bolts, 2 up top and 2 on the bottom. And then these 2 bolts, that one and that one, are 18 mils. And then the bolts that hold the caliper to the bracket are 17 mil. And then that little Torx bit is a T40. Alright, so I got that off, got that put back on. One thing you guys got to be careful of is those wheel bearings like to seize in, so make sure and have a big ass pry bar and hammer, and it'll make your life a lot easier. Or even a hub puller. If you have a hub puller, that's even better. Little update right now though. We are actually moving shops again. We'll be working outdoors for a little while until I get my building finished. We've been leasing a place right now, and our landlord has asked us kindly to move so he can sell the building, and we just don't want to buy it. So I have started a 3-stall, well, oversized 3-stall shop here at my house. So the framing is done, the roof is up, and hopefully I can get concrete and walls done, get it insulated. I'm working on the electrical right now, so little by little it'll get done. But as far as the Explorer, we're going to do the other wheel bearing, and we're also going to do front brakes on it. This one has the heavy duty brakes, so it's a little more expensive for front brakes. They're a little bit different design. Most of the sports I think had the heavy duty brakes, but we're trying to get them done before winter. Winter's right around the corner here in Iowa, so hopefully we'll get it all done before it gets nasty. I still have to do the Audi and whatnot. Since we're moving shops, we have to be out by the end of August, so that's only a couple weeks away. So I actually had the Cavalier towed out here to my house so I can work on it out here, but I can also get the Camaro into storage, and then I'll bring the motor out here into my garage, so I can work on that, and we'll at least keep busy while we're working on the building anyway, because I do have a single stall garage here that we'll be working out of for now. But we'll keep updating, keep videos coming. Probably just one a week. Nothing too major, but go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, ask questions if you have any. I'll do my best to answer them on this Explorer, as well as any other vehicles that we do work on. Deuces.